I have a bad feeling. I'm gonna of course, surely I'm gonna be immediately attacked, right? Because they all want a piece of me. Understandable. The single female character in the whole game anyway. I'm the only female in this whole world. They all want a piece of me. And I want a piece of it. But no, we're not dealing with this right now. No. Let me just, please. I wanna cut off a piece of them and put it on my breakfast sandwich. Yum. I need some meat. There's also the pigs right in front of me. I'm so scared. Will you guys help me? When it comes to it? Wait, how? Where? Ammo! My ammo! I don't have ammo! I don't have ammo! I left the ammo! Oitashimata! Close combat! That's my first day of work, isn't it?